MG has unveiled an exclusive preview of the all-new HS Sport Utility vehicle ahead of its global debut at the Goodwood Festival of Speed, scheduled for Thursday, 11 July. This new model replaces the current version that has significantly boosted MG's global sales. The redesigned HS SUV features a contemporary and sophisticated exterior, complemented by an interior that offers enhanced space and a host of new, driver-focused technologies. This upgrade aims to provide an elevated driving experience with a focus on comfort and innovation. Buyers will have two powertrain options to choose from at launch: a traditional petrol engine and a plug-in hybrid variant. The plug-in hybrid version promises to deliver an unparalleled all-electric range within its class, positioning it as a competitive choice for eco-conscious drivers. The all-new MG HS SUV is set to continue MG's legacy of combining style, performance, and cutting-edge technology.